In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code CLI crashing issue. This guide will walk you through a series of steps to ensure your environment is correctly configured and to eliminate any underlying problems that may cause crashes. Begin by confirming that you have the correct node runtime installed. Claude CLI requires node version 20 or higher, and it is recommended to use version 22 LTSEs. To check your current node version, open your terminal and type node-v. If the version displayed is below 20, you will need to uninstall and reinstall. To do this, enter the command winget uninstall OpenJS, Node.js, LTSs, followed by winget install OpenJS. LTS, after the installation completes, restart PowerShell to ensure the changes take effect. Next, it is important to address any stuck node processes that may have been left running due to previous crashes. In your terminal, type get process node -error action, silently continue, stop process -force. This command will terminate any lingering node processes. After executing this command, open a fresh terminal to continue with the next steps. Now, you will perform a full clean reinstall of Claude CLI. It is crucial not to reinstall over the existing version. First, uninstall Claude by using the command npm uninstall -g at /claude code. Then clear the npm cache with npm cache clean -force. To remove any residual files, execute remove item $nvam, appddaf, nodo modules at anthropic a-recurse -force error action, silently continue. Finally, to install the latest version of Claude, type npm install after the installation, verify that Claude is correctly installed by running Claude-v. The next step is to check for any dangerous node_o petitions that could be causing crashes. In the terminal, type echo $end node_o petitions. If you see any experimental flags listed, clear them by entering sex node_o petitions. After clearing the flags, close the terminal and reopen it to apply the changes. If you experience crashes during large tasks, consider increasing the memory limit. You can do this by typing setnode_optgen96 in the terminal. Restart the terminal to make sure the new memory settings take effect. To gain insight into the reasons behind any crashes, you can run Claude in debug mode, enter the command Claude chat-stream-log level debug. Pay attention to any specific error messages that appear. For example, a message indicating heap out of memory suggests a memory issue, while segmentation fault indicates a corrupted node installation. Additionally, unaccepted token points to a broken package. An econom reset signifies a network interruption that occurred before the crash. Lastly, check for any global npm conflicts that may interfere with Claude CLI's operation. You can list your globally installed packages by entering pm list-gdep =0. If you find outdated packages such as node fetch, global agent, or proxy tools, remove them with npm uninstall -g package name. This ensures that Claude CLI runs without any injected global patches that could lead to instability. If you are still experiencing crashes after completing the previous steps, consider performing an extreme reset of your npm environment. Start by removing the npm directory and cache by executing remove item $nvam app.ala pm-recurse-force and remove item $nvam app.ala pm cache-recurse-force. After this, reinstall node and then reinstall Claude to ensure a fresh start.